Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube video with me. My name is Toby, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fade out audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this can be done in less than a minute or 2 minutes, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I want you to subscribe, select the bell notification, like, share, and it would mean a lot to me if you guys can do that to me. I'm trying to grow up to 200 subscribers or more before the end of this month, and I'm gonna play the audio for you now. So as we can see, there's no fade out towards the end of the audio. In order to get that fade out, we go to Effects, then we go to Audio Transitions, we go to Crossfade, then we've got Exponential Fade. That's what we're going to use. The exponential fade is an extremely useful and often overlooked transition. This fade works by starting the volume adjustment slowly and then increasing it faster and faster exponentially until it is finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this and just drag it towards the end of my audio clip, and I'm going to play that for you now. So that's done now. If I want to increase the exponential fade time on my audio clip, I'm just gonna select the exponential fade, then I will then drag it so the time increases, or the time at which the exponential fade increases. So I'm gonna play it for you now. You can see it's gonna start very. So if I want to change the time duration or the transition duration, I'm just gonna double click it, and there we have it, the transition duration. So you can put in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, as long as you want it to be. So that's done. And also I'm going to show you the crossfade, so the constant gain. The constant gain works by decreasing or increasing audio at a constant rate. This is subtle difference from constant power, which smooths the rate at which the volume is automated. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The constant gain is normally used at the beginning of an audio clip. So I'm going to drag the constant gain across the beginning of my audio clip, and I'll play it for you now. So I'm going to increase the duration for my constant gain now, like what I did in the exponential fade, by selecting it and also dragging it out a bit, and I'm gonna play that off for you again. So I hope you've gained something from this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me if you can do that. I release videos every Sunday, and I will see you next Sunday. Goodbye.